This is number 7. Actually, let's move this up a little bit. We have the square root of 3x plus 4. Yeah. And that is equal to 2 plus the square root of x. So what we're going to do is square both sides. Instead of rewriting it, we'll just do it like this. Okay? So when we square a square root goes away. And multiplying this out, I think we've been doing this in our heads the last few problems. I'll go ahead and write it out this time. So 2 times 2 is 4. We have 2 times the square root of x times 2. So that's going to make those 4 of them since they're like terms. And square root of x times square root of x is just x. Alright, let's go ahead and get this 4 and x over here to the left hand side. So we have 3x minus x plus 4, and then bringing this 4 over, you get minus 4. Alright, and so we're left with 4 times the square root of x over here on the right hand side. We'll want to simplify this down, so we end up with wait a minute. Oh yeah, 3 minus 1. I don't know. 3 minus 1 is 2x. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so to get rid of this radical, what we'll do is square both sides. We will square both sides. And so this becomes 4x squared is equal to 16x. Okay. And then let's just take this, we got to get this in a standard form. So we have 4x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Let's factor out the 4 and the x, and we're left with x minus 4 is equal to 0. Right, so both these factors equal to 0. Of course, we have x is equal to 0 for this one. Right, and then we got x minus 4, and of course this would be x is equal to 4. So our two possible solutions is 0 and 4. Now I say possible, right, because we got to check. We've got to check it. Right, so here I'll just go ahead and rewrite the initial problem here, and so that was going to be 3x plus 4 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x. So let's go ahead and check the 0 here. So we plug 0 in. And of course we get 2 on this side. Now remember, this is a possible solution. We want to put a question mark here, and the square root of 4 is actually equal to 2. So that's good. That works out. Let's go ahead and just check the other one right over here. So we have 3 times 4 plus 4. Boy, that's not a very good 4, is it? Is equal to 2 plus the square root of 4. So we have 12 and 4 is 16. And that's going to be 4, isn't it? And of course that's 4. So it looks like that one works out. So our solution set is 0 and 4. Solution set for our original equation, which that really isn't it, but you remember what it was. Okay. Right, I think that's enough examples, I'd have to say, for this section to get you going. Right, so we did some reducing some equations into the quadratic form, and then solving for the solutions for that equation. Anyway, this is where I got my math videos. That's me, and actually my family name. Um, Oops. Used to be that. And actually, that was my great-grandfather that came over in 1907 from Sicily. At least that's so far what I've researched out, somewhere in that area. Okay, I shall see you in the next section.